Alright, so exporting your campaign data to the CSV file format allows you to perform advanced in-depth analysis. You can look for patterns, find correlations, and understand what is going on with the use of your favorite CSV file editing software. So Zeropark allows you to export data of a selected campaign or all campaigns from a specified time period. And the exported campaign data can be summed up or divided day by day. So now let's go ahead and show you how to export a campaign. In order to export a campaign, we're going to do the following steps. So as you can see, we're on the dashboard. This means if I go to export campaign for last year, is what I have set for the time frame, it's going to export all of the campaigns. If you don't want to export all of the campaigns, then you simply need to select the campaign to enter the campaign view, and then you can just export this one campaign on its own. Next, you're going to make sure you want the set time period that is displayed, and then you can click the Export to CSV button. Alright, and then you're going to get a pop-up that says Success, and your report has been selected for this time frame, and then you can go to the Exported Reports tab. So you're going to select OK, and then we're going to go to Exported Reports at the top. Okay, so now it shows the format, the date, and then the status. So then I can select download. And you can simply use Google Sheets. You don't need anything fancy. So you can go to Google Sheets, you can select import, upload, and you can drag the file. And it should acknowledge that it's a CSV file because CSV stands for comma separated values. And this means that it's not a typical spreadsheet file that has to be imported in the first step because you need to use it in a spreadsheet editing software, such as Microsoft Excel usually. But the following instructions in Zeropark are going to be for using Microsoft. If you use Google, it should be able to import it successfully and open it for you. So we're going to open it. And here you go. So everything's already separated and formatted for you to review.